Good morning from Sosua. This is now my last morning here, and I had a fantastic time here, and I filmed so much, but I don't know when I can produce all the videos. Anyway, I will go now to the dentist. I have an appointment at 9 o'clock now. It's 8:30, and clean my teeth, and later maybe have a little breakfast here in the hotel, and then I have to go to the airport. Gregorio Luperon in Puerto Plata for taking my COVID test, and then I will fly to Jamaica. I'm walking now to my dentist, and as soon as I left the hotel, so many motorbike drivers came to me. But I'm just walking now to my dentist. It's 8:50, I still have to wait 10 minutes for my dentist over there. And all the motorbike drivers are offering me rides to Cabarete and to whatever. And outside here, this pharmacia, there's a bus station from another company, Metro. I have to check that out later where they're going. Now I have to quickly go back to my hotel to have my desayuno. So this is here the backside of the Rumba bar, and the pharmacia is right here. There's a big Chinese shopping. It's a treehouse hotel. This Tienda Phoenix, and just 1 minute away is the dentist. Everything was brand new at this dentist. Inside, the equipment was brand new, like in Germany. And the last view of the Peso Crisante. And here's a Jamaica mixed grill, and I will fly now to Jamaica, to Montego Bay. On Uber it's only 188 peso, but there's no Uber available, so I have to take a normal taxi now, which costs 1,400. in the Aeropuerto Internacional Gregorio Luperon, Sosua, in Puerto Plata.